Hey guys, Zeke here. Valve spring kits have been coming out this year for several applications. We have a new one that we've just released for the Honda application. Let's get started. Welcome back. So this Honda Civic Type-R K20C1-Turbo application, it's also known as the FK8. Great platform coming out of Honda. It's 300 horsepower, about 306 actually, they put it at 295 torque. Fantastic platform to get involved in doing upgrades. So we've been seeing a lot of guys bolt on stuff, you know, intercoolers, cold air intakes, doing a lot of outside improvements to this engine. We obviously, us here at Ferrea, we've gone completely internal with the valve train components. So we've come out with a brand new kit and includes a single valve spring, tool steel retainer. We've come out with two different locator thicknesses, one for the intake, the other one for the exhaust, as well as the valve locks. Valve locks are all machine 4140. Specifically, we've actually enhanced these valve locks as a initial lock only used for this application. The single valve spring, we've put 75 pounds on the seat, and then open pressure is at 185 pounds. Maximum lift, we're at 12 millimeters. Pretty good right now. We haven't seen any company come out with anything larger than 12. Obviously a lot of guys are still regrinding right now, a lot of their stock cams. If we foresee obviously going with anything larger than 12 millimeters, that's when we'll obviously adapt this to the stage 2 package that we're soon to come out next month. We're still in production and doing the roller rocker setup for this engine. So we're looking to do the stage 2 setup with the larger camshaft. This is initially a stage 1. You know, if you're looking at a camshaft that runs say 11 millimeters, maybe 10.5 millimeters. Fantastic setup for both street and race application. The kit is now available. Part number on the kit is a KT4033. Check with your Ferrea dealers. Also available through Ferrea.com. That's Ferrea.com. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time.